Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the motorcycle adapter TW F-MOTO for balancing motorcycle wheels. The motorcycle adapter is delivered in a single box. Take out the instructions and read them carefully before the assembly. Here we see how the adapter should look in the end. Pay attention to the correct alignment of the parts during the assembly. We begin with the first holding arm. Mount the holding arm and fix it with a screw and a nut. The locking pin is then screwed in and fastened. Pull out the locking pin and tilt the holding arm towards the middle to mount the springs easily. The second holding arm will be installed on the other side in the same way. To use the adapter, the measuring arm of the wheel balancer will be extended. Afterwards, the protective cover of the machine will be displaced to the second hole. The shaft must be removed now to attach the adapter. The included fitting sleeve is needed for the F150 wheel balancer as shown here. This is not the case for the F00, F23 and F95. The adapter can now be mounted and screwed. Tighten the screws. Screw the shaft for the adapter now. The balancing can start now. Lock the holding arms in the open position first. Remove the cones and spacers that are not currently needed. If the chainring and brake disc are floating on the wheel, we recommend removing them before balancing. Use a cone and spacers to clamp the wheel. Set the holding arms on the tire to fix it. As usual, select the appropriate balancing program. The extension of the measuring arm must be taken into account while measuring the distance. 15 centimeters are simply added to the measured distance for this. The rim width is read and entered next. And finally, we have the rim diameter. The machine determines the required balancing weights dynamically, which will then be taped as usual. A perfect result. While modern motorcycle wheels are best balanced dynamically due to their width, this is often not possible with older wheels. If the weights can only be placed on the middle, the machine has to be switched to the static mode. This is done in most machines by pressing F twice. The two balancing weights are now recalculated into a single static weight. This weight is then attached on the middle.